Hello, this is Celine Geek and I'm going to show you how to put RetroTunes player in your Rainmeter on your desktop. So first, let's go to deviantart.com and in the search bar, type RetroTunes player. And there is only one RetroTunes player deviation, so just click this and next click the download link, and you can save it on your desktop or any location you want it to be saved, but I'll just open it. So click OK, and then the download is done, so just clear the list and let's now extract the file. So I'm going to extract the file on my desktop, so click OK and just close this, and then here is the extracted file. So let's open it, and you should see a player and record folders. Inside a player, you will see these things, and in the record folder you'll see this. So anyway, just close this, and next, here in the taskbar you will see an icon of your Rainmeter. So double click it and you'll see a Enigma pop up like this. So just click the skins, and then the Rain browser will open. So just click browse skins under global actions and a folder will open. So this RetroTunes folder which we extracted, you can copy and paste it here, or you can also drag it in here. So we already drag it, so let's just close this and let's refresh the Rainmeter. So while this icon again, right click, click the refresh all, then wait for a few seconds for your desktop to be refreshed, your Rainmeter. So after refreshing it, right click any skin you have. So right click and go to configurations and go to the RetroTunes, and here you can see the player and record. So open the player.ini and you'll see here the skin. So let's just right click again and go to configurations, RetroTunes, and the record. Then you'll see the disk here. So fix anything here, you can do it like this or anything you want. So anyway, let's try it. So this button, just click this and the iTunes will pop up, and just click a song, search a song, and there it will play. Here in the skin you can put the volume up or put the volume down. It can also be paused, play again, rewind, forward, anything. So this skin is really helpful. Anyway, I guess that's it. So thank you for watching, and before anything else, don't forget to visit my YouTube account, YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe there, and don't forget also to visit my site, which is celindeer.co.nr, to get the latest news about technology and about me sometimes. Anyway, thank you for watching, and enjoy Rainmeter. Thank you.